Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Magic John is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for anyone looking to add a touch of wonder and amazement to their lives, whether for personal entertainment, captivating social gatherings, or even professional performances. This innovative device promises to unlock a world of illusions and interactive experiences, making it a compelling choice for hobbyists and enthusiasts alike. Its unique blend of technology and artistry aims to deliver unparalleled magical moments, setting a new standard in the realm of personal entertainment and interactive magic. Number 5. Power Theory iPhone XS Privacy Screen Protector. Introducing the Power Theory Privacy Screen Protector, designed specifically for your iPhone X and XS. It safeguards your device from everyday damage while keeping your screen private. With its advanced anti-spy technology, your screen is visible only to you. Strangers won't be able to see your sensitive information, even in crowded places. Our easy install kit ensures a perfect, bubble-free alignment every time. We even include all the necessary tools for a seamless application. This protector is designed to be case-friendly, covering the flat part of your screen without interfering with your phone case. Enjoy full screen protection that works with your accessories. We stand by the quality of our product with a lifetime guarantee. You can trust that it's built to last and protect your investment. Experience 99% HD clarity without bubbles. This tempered glass protector offers robust protection while maintaining the vibrant display of your iPhone. What we like. Keep your sensitive information hidden from prying eyes with its high privacy protection. If you are looking for a screen protector that ensures a perfect, bubble-free alignment every time, the Easy Install Kit is a game changer. Plus, its case-friendly design means you don't have to compromise on your phone's protection or style. What people say. The quality is fantastic and no less effective than expensive models. My first application on my iPhone 11 went beautifully. The application tray makes the installation easy and effortless. Number 4. Power Theory iPhone 12 Mini Screen Protector. Introducing the Power Theory Screen Protector, specifically designed for your iPhone 12 mini. It offers premium shatter resistance and maintains your phone's resale value. Our innovative Easy App Tray ensures a perfect, bubble-free installation in just 60 seconds. If you're not satisfied, we'll send a replacement for free. Experience the stunning clarity of your iPhone's Retina display with this ultra-thin, 9H hardness tempered glass. It protects your sensors without affecting photo quality or touch sensitivity. This screen protector provides edge-to-edge coverage, ensuring full screen protection while remaining compatible with most phone cases. It's designed to enhance your smartphone experience. We stand by our superior quality with an affordable price and exceptional customer support. That's why all our screen protectors come with a no-hassle lifetime guarantee. What we like. Experience your iPhone's stunning display with its crystal clear transparency, ensuring no compromise on visual quality. The Easy Install Tray makes application a breeze, guaranteeing a perfect, bubble-free finish. If you want full edge-to-edge coverage that's also case-friendly, this is the perfect choice for your iPhone 12 mini. What people say. Never have I seen a screen protector go on so easily. Clean the screen, dry it, use the sticker to remove any dust, remove the sticker on the, place it on top of phone, swipe your finger in a cross format and the screen sticks to the glass, not one bubble. Great product, really like the guide to install the glass. Not a single bubble. The installation kit allows any moron to finesse a perfect installation. The installation tool allows perfect alignment, and if you do it quickly after wiping the screen, yours will look just as good as mine. This glass is not scratched after 2 months of constant phone usage, and one wipe of the screen will clean blemishes such that your screen looks just like mine. Number 3. JETech One Touch Install Screen Protector for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Tired of struggling with screen protector installation? Our innovative design makes it incredibly simple. Just place it on, and it aligns perfectly every time, ensuring a bubble-free finish. This protector offers edge-to-edge coverage, safeguarding your entire screen, including the front camera and sensors. Enjoy full protection without compromising Face ID functionality. Crafted from premium tempered glass with 9H hardness, it's built to withstand daily scratches and abrasions. Your screen stays pristine, looking as good as new. Designed to maximize screen coverage while maintaining compatibility with most phone cases. You get superior protection without sacrificing your phone's style. Experience vibrant visuals and a smooth, responsive touch. The oleophobic coating repels fingerprints and oil, keeping your screen clean and clear. What we like. Achieve a perfect installation in one touch with its innovative alignment tool, making it incredibly easy to apply. It offers full coverage protection without affecting Face ID functionality. If you prioritize a hassle-free, HD clear screen protector that provides edge-to-edge defense for your iPhone 12 Pro Max, this is the one for you. What people say. I didn't realize it had an alignment tray, and that made the application quick and flawless. Screen protector installation system is super cool. Easy to install with minimal effort and very little bubbles on the first try. Easy to install and covers the entire face of the phone. Number 2. Magic, the best of. Discover the ultimate collection. This is where excellence resides, offering you the very best. Elevate your experience with unparalleled quality. It's designed to help you achieve more. Witness the peak of innovation and design. It represents the highest standard in its class. We've curated the finest elements for your enjoyment. You deserve nothing less than perfection. Immerse yourself in what truly matters. This collection brings you the ultimate selection. What we like. Elevate your home-cooked meals with its versatile flavor profiles, perfect for a wide range of dishes. This convenient pack of 3 ensures you always have your favorite seasonings on hand. If you love adding a gourmet touch to your pizza and pasta without the fuss, these seasonings are a must-have in your kitchen. What people say. Olivia's voice was always a beguiling instrument, crafty in its facility to blend shimmering, understated innocence with a subtle allure. Olivia hit more home runs in a decade than most recording artists will have in a lifetime. The songs from the movie Grease are an added treasure here. John Travolta and Olivia Newton-John had a great chemistry in the movie. Their duet in Summer Nights is just golden and unforgettable. Number 1. Magic Seasonings Pizza Pasta Seasoning, 3-pack. Bring the taste of Italy to your kitchen with this versatile seasoning blend. Perfect for pizzas, pastas, and so much more. Elevate your favorite Italian dishes effortlessly. This blend is specifically crafted to enhance the flavors of both pizza and pasta. Stock up on this essential seasoning with our convenient 3-pack. You'll always have the perfect flavor enhancer on hand. Made with high-quality herbs and spices, this seasoning delivers a fresh and aromatic taste. It's the secret ingredient your Italian cooking needs. While it's perfect for Italian classics, don't limit its use. Try it on garlic bread, roasted vegetables, or even in marinades for a delightful twist. Discover the difference quality seasonings can make. Add this essential blend to your pantry and taste the magic in every bite. What we like. Achieve authentic pizza flavor with this expertly crafted seasoning blend. It's also perfect for pasta dishes, adding a depth of taste that will impress. If you're looking for an easy way to bring the taste of Italy into your kitchen, this seasoning is your secret ingredient. What people say. It really helps perk up a frozen pizza, but it is absolutely essential on those terribly bland market-fresh pizzas they sell in all the grocery store chains now. Great tasting for my mini pizzas that I make for lunchtime. Great taste for pizza, pasta, chicken, noodles, etc. It enhances my dishes perfectly and nothing else does it like this one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.